Okay, let's start this week in mathematics. The first question says that we have this problem and we have to find the value of n. We know that 4 is 2 in second exponent and 8 is 2 in cube. So we are neglecting these twos, the linear equation, and n is 9. That's D. The second question say that there are four uh, monomials or polynomials, and they said that a and b are positive integers. So which is one of them are the biggest or the highest? Which of them the biggest? First condition a is 2, second is b. The second condition is a is 4, b is 2. I'm just putting the numbers instead of a and b, and I'm getting that b is the highest among those. So the third question says that we have a right triangle with the side S and S. This means that this is also can be isosceles triangle with the same side, and this is S multiplied by root of 2. And we have a smaller right triangle в подобие этого, like this. So if this 100%, this is the 64% of this. The area of this is 100, and the area of this is 64% of this area. So have to, and the question said that uh, in what extent the percentage of their sides has been decreased if we take that the side of S, which is A and B, like this A and B is 2, this A and B is 2, we use the formula of finding the area, like 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 is 2 meter in square. That's 100% of this area. And to find the area of this, you know that the 64% of from this. It we calculated and found that this is the area of this. So we know that the area, the formula of area is this, putting this and equals to this. The 2 is multiplied there, and a and b equals to 64 divided by 25. You know that it's always a triangle. This means this side is equals to this side equals to this, then a equals to b. Instead of b, I'm putting a in square equals to 64 and 25. A is 8 divided by 5. Then uh, uh, then if I want to find uh, what percentage of from 100 it lost, I'm just doing 2 is 100%, so 8 divided by 5 is 80%, so it decreases for 20%. The answer is B. The fourth question is the easiest, I think. 2x divided by 2y equals to 2 in cube. Just mathematics. If the base is the same, the exponents are subtracted. This means that x minus y uh, equals to 3. The value of x is y plus 3. That's A. So in fifth question says that if we take that the number of schools of is m, the number of students is n. So each student consumes uh, two pieces of pizza. In one pizza, there are eight parts. So this means one pizza is 4 students. If we take that, there are 2 schools and 30 6 students, which means 72 people, and each pizza is 4 students. If we divide 72 by 4, this is the number of pizzas, which means that uh, if we multiply the number of students from each school and divide by 4, we can find the number of pizzas. Pizza. The correct answer is B. So next, this we have this. I'm just adding squares to each side and getting this, and just mathematics equation, linear equation, and x is 2.5. The seventh question says that we have this polynomial and just mathematics. That's A. Eighth question say that x is 50% higher than that, which means x equals to 1.5 that. Y is 20% higher than that, which means y equals to 1.2 that. So the percentage difference between x and y, which means that how in half percent y differences from x. So if we find that this is the 100%, this is 70%. The difference between them is 25%. This means this is 25% lower than x. The y is 25% lower than x. The ninth question says that we have this polynomial and we have this polynomial. So they are equal. And what the value of k? You know that it's constant, which means if we divide this by this, we have to get this. I divided and got this, and instead of k, there's a 9. The answer is D, 9. 10th question gives me this two linear equations, the system of equations, and it asks the product of their product, the product of their roots. So x is 2 and y minus 3, minus 2. Their product is minus 4. Just math. 11th, there's a graph, and it's vividly seeing that they have nothing in common. They don't intersect. This means that there is not any solution, or 0. The correct answer is A. So 12. There's given the system of the equation, and it says in which value of A this equation has no roots, and we have this rule for no solution in sets, that if this a1x b1y equals to c1, and there's a1 divided by a2 has to be equal to b1 divided by b2, and it should not be equal to the ratio between them. It's the rule for no solution in this. I'm just using this, putting numbers, and neglecting b2. That's A. So A is 3. 13. There's a guy who is who likes reading, and there's said that in one book there's a discount in 20%, which means 0.8 of the total price, and he has another discount, like this discount on discount, that's 30%, which means 0.7 of the price. I have to just multiply them, and that's a price by two discounts. 56% he paid. There's a figure, trapezium. It's a formula how to find the area of this. So it said that their basis is halved and the height is doubled, which means that this and this goes, and the formula has no change, which means uh, no change if we uh, half the base and double the height. No change. 15, there's a Cartesian plane x and y, and there's a 3 and this area. You know that that's y. This area is under the 3, which means 3, which means 3 is above this. Y is smaller than 3, and y is higher than x because this x is under of this, under of y. The 16th question says that we have this and just find roots. Found that this coordinate is 8. It's this. Skobkadan tashqariga 2 ni chiqarib olamiz. And the x1, x2, they're minus 2 plus minus the root of 2. So, in 17th question, this figure is given. Sorry, you saw this? Like, for this? I explained, but I didn't look at the camera. Wasn't saying or not. Sorry again, but you can look. I can repeat again. So, no. Just go. Understand me. Limited time. So, in 17th question, there's a given this figure, and we have to find the degree of this side, this angle. We have to find this angle. We have this, and this means that inner angles are 180, and it found that this 70, this is also has to be 180, and we found that 110, and we are adding this and subtracting from 180 and getting 30 degree. That's 8. And the last question say that there's a given the line which is passing through -3 and 2. And firstly, we have to find the equation of this. We know that b is -3, and just putting when x is 2 and y is 0, is b -3. K is this, the slope of this line, and the only parallel line to this in the answers was this, because if the slopes are the same, they are parallel, doesn't matter about b. And that's it. Bye.